Hi guys, to keep your eyebrows up and on fleek during quarantine. So here you can get these eyebrow arches for $1 at your local hair store, and you just arch above your eyebrows. Yes, slay. And then you can get this from your local dollar store as well. It's an eyebrow comb. You just comb and brush your eyebrow hairs to the direction you want. And these little small shears, you can also get them from Dollar Tree or from your local hair store for $1. So we're just gonna clip it. Oh, ow. Look, it broke, y'all. It was $1 anyway. So I'm just gonna go back to arching my eyebrow. So you just arch a little bit underneath. Let me show you. So you don't use the tip like it'll stab you. Just sharpen it right slightly in the middle, and you just use it arch underneath and on top and on the edge, just like that. Just get that perfect arch. Then wipe check. Is it looking good? Kinda, but not on fleek. So let's do this. I'm just gonna use these real scissors. I'm just gonna pull these hairs out so I won't hurt my eyebrow skin. And we're gonna get the chopping. Chop. Oop. Judo flip. See? Carefully clipping my eyebrow hairs. Then, I just kind of pull them to make sure it looks right. And there, eyebrows on fleek, Quortine.